Yeah, welcome back to the channel, Outback Tasmania. We've been having problems with wallabies. We're just going to inspect the yard further up the hill here to see that we've got evidence that they're here. We just can't see them. And I've planted some test pea pods and they've shot up. They have not been eaten, so I don't know if they're here or they're not, but we're going to go find out. Right over here in the Agapanthus is where the youngest one was hiding out. He was hiding out inside there. I can't see him. And it's actually the end of, they're all seed pods. So it looks like when it's in flower. Absolutely lovely. But no, we look for little tunnels under the fence. He's not in that section. Yeah, and like when they do try to tunnel out, there's obviously evidence of them digging, so there's none there. So he's not in this section. Let's just walk up the hill. Okay, here is the evidence I was looking for. Doesn't look like much. But yeah, that's where he's been coming in and out. So I'm gonna rectify that with whatever I can find at the moment. Here is escape hole number 2, and there's evidence of him hanging around there. So there's that wallaby droppings. So he's been getting under there as well. This fence, actually this tree here, went over. Yeah. And this fence was completely bent. I'll straighten it back up. It's good old, this post and that post is a bit dodgy. It's been held up. Yep. I've got to reattach that fence there. Another little project to do here in the outback. Like, that's the beach down there. But anyway, this is a wattle tree. It's this one here is dead. It snapped off just up there. This one here broke and we cut him up. And there's that one there fell that way. Still got to cut the rest of him up. Got branches down up here. Yeah, this is a part of the project here at Outback Tasmania, is cleaning the place up and getting it ready for some food growing the best we can. As you can see, we're in complete shade and it's only 2:45 almost in the afternoon, so we get a little bit of morning sun. By about lunchtime we lose it, so it's never going to be a hot sunny yard, but we're going to try to transform this little untouched patch into some sort of food forest. Hey, let's just run down the road. I'm gonna get some go down the hardware store and see what we can find. Got a few ideas that I want to plant, so let's just see what I can find. Come with me for the ride. successful. A few things were on sale, which made it a little bit easier on the pocket. And let's head back and get into it before the weekend rain comes. We've got about 3 days of rain apparently, so it'll be good to get some stuff in the ground and in the pots before all that happens. Now, the smell of pine trees from those trees that have just been cut is amazing. Hey, how far out back do you want to go? This this is good enough for me. Oh. Yeah, I've now got the pots here, got the soil mix, and I put some seed potatoes in, and we'll just see where I'm going to put them, but I'm just winging it now. I'm going to do 6 pots of seed potatoes and just get them going. And I should have just done 2, but I've got plenty. I don't know why. I'm putting 3 in. Let's see how that works. Yeah, that's covered now. Just going to let it grow a bit more, and I'll top that up as it grows. There you go with the spuds. They're in their containers. I thought, you know, while I'm at it, I might even put some garlic away. Let's just see how this goes. I've never done garlic, and I want to find a good spot to grow them. Alright, yeah, this was my test plants for the wallabies, which weren't eaten, so they survived. And on the table I got some more beans and peas, and I've held these for a while. I might get these in the ground. Some French breakfast radish, which if you look over the leaf here, you'll see the purple. You can plant radish any time of the year. Yeah, that'll get us going for today's little mission. Finished. I got my radishes. I've got my potatoes. Going to do some container potatoes, try to say that. And in the little ones here I've got my got my garlic, and some beans, and some peas in these ones that have just been planted, and we'll just move to that garden on the next video. Hey, Outback Tasmania, thanks for joining the channel, thanks for sticking around, and until I see you on the next video, ciao.